and welcome to the CCD Guide video tutorial Edit Picture. The Edit Picture type of CCD Guide is necessary to create new picture data rows. You can use this tab to create your personal archive and maintain your list of captured astro images. How to create a new data row? First click New, then all data fields are automatically cleared and you can start with your inputs. All blue-colored fields are must fields, white-colored fields are optional. The best way is to start with the input of the object name. To set an object, first enter the object name in the white field and then click Set Object. The next step is to choose the image. Click Load Image to set the field From. After you have selected the image, you can see that the fields From and To are automatically filled. When you click Save, the image will be copied from the folder shown in the field From to the folder User Images, displayed in the field To. But don't click Save now. First we have to enter the other fields. The next step could be to input the observer. In the case of cooperation, you can put in more than one observer, but for this image it's just me. You have to use the double arrows to the right of the observer table to add or to remove an observer. If you want to add an additional object, then first enter the object in the Additional Objects data field and click on the double arrow. Additional pictures are pictures which show additional information, for example object identification, inverted image and so on. To add an additional picture, click on the Load Image button and select the desired additional image. After you have selected the image, you will see that the field From and the field To are automatically filled. Now you have to modify the field To. You can enter any image name, but it is a good idea to use the suggested image name as base and to add some characters to indicate the type of additional images. For example, a string ID for images with object identification. Now complete the existing data fields like exposure time and so on. If everything is correct, you can click Save to save the data row. The clone method is a very fast approach to create a new picture data row. The idea is to select an existing picture data row which is very similar to the picture data row which you want to create. So you only have to modify the existing data fields, but you don't have to input all data starting with empty fields.